Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover funds from eBay, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover funds from eBay, begin by logging into your eBay account. Navigate to the Purchase History section in your account settings. Identify the transaction in question for which you need to recover funds. Click on the transaction to view the details. Check if the item was eligible for a refund or if you received the item as described. If the item was not received, click on the Request a Refund option. Follow the prompts to fill out the necessary information regarding your refund request. Keep all relevant communication with the seller documented for reference. If you receive a negative response from the seller, you may consider escalating the issue. Access the eBay Resolution Center from the Help and Contact menu. Submit a claim for a refund in the Resolution Center. Provide all required evidence, including messages, receipts, and tracking information. Wait for eBay to review your case, which may take several days. Monitor your email and eBay notifications for updates regarding your claim. If your claim is approved, the funds will be credited back to your account. In case of denial, carefully read eBay's explanation and consider any further options. You may appeal the decision if you believe your case has merit. Always review eBay's buyer protection policies for guidance. Stay informed about the timelines and processes for refund requests on eBay. Keep records of all interactions until the issue is fully resolved. If the process feels overwhelming, consider reaching out to eBay customer service for assistance. Follow up on your claims consistently for faster resolution. By being proactive and informed, you increase the likelihood of a successful recovery of funds. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.